Google just flipped the script on what tech can do. From AI that shops for you, to smart glasses translating conversations in real time, to having actual conversations with your camera. Google I/O 2025 gave us a real glimpse into the future. I'm breaking down the biggest and boldest announcements from Google I/O 2025, including my favorite demos and what these updates actually mean for your daily life. Let's get into it. Let's start with what might be the biggest shift in how we use the internet. Google Search just got an AI-powered brain. This is the biggest change Google Search has gotten in years. There's actually a new tab called AI Mode, where it's not only search, it's a conversation. You can ask it anything, no matter how broad or specific, and you will get a detailed answer catered to you. You can even ask it follow-up questions and it will provide you with web links and sources. You're gonna get information so much faster, and I'm all in on the AI mode. It's not only about asking questions, it's about shopping smarter too. Google introduced AI shopping. Think virtual try-ons, price tracking, and Google will actually purchase the product for you. If you're browsing for a new dress and don't like going in store to try things on, this new AI shopping mode is for you. I actually got to try it out. Check it out. Okay guys, very exciting. This is probably one of my favorite features we have here. We're gonna be doing a live shopping demo on me today and put me in a brand new outfit that I might want to purchase. Let's check it out. So now she's gonna take a photo of me. Let's get ready. So we can pick something. I love a drop waist dress. Let's do maybe the pink one.
Yeah. So we're gonna upload a photo of you, which we have right here. And now we're generating.
Let's generate it.
You can do this on any product.
Stop, wait, why does this look so good?
Yeah.
What in the world? Let's see the before and after.
So this was what you tried.
Yeah.
This was you.
Oh my goodness.
And this is after.
Okay, so now I know I want that dress.
You should.
That is so cool. As you can see, this was my original outfit, and this is the outfit I want to buy. I'm very impressed with not only how it puts the dress on me, it actually changed my shoes and gave me new AI toes. I can see Google taking it one step further and showing me how I can accessorize my new outfit so that I purchase more. I'm really into the price tracking option where I can say like, hey, I want this dress for $50, and I'll wait until I get that notification. Google will even be able to purchase that product for you with a simple click, making shopping a lot more easy. As someone who already likes to shop, I'm worried for my wallet, but I love this new AI mode. For all those sports fans and finance people, this one's for you. Google's AI mode will turn complex stats into beautiful, seamless graphs for you to enjoy and learn. You can ask it for live sports stats, team comparisons, or even market trends, and it will instantly create a graph for you. It's like having a personal analyst built into your browser. Now, this is where it gets futuristic. Imagine pointing your camera at something and actually talking to it. That's Gemini Live. This one blew my mind. With Gemini Live, you can point your camera at something and get answers instantly. You're able to have conversations about whatever you're seeing in real time. If you need help fixing your bike, you can just point Gemini Live at it and it will tell you exactly what you need. You can say like, hey, go search for the user's manual and tell me what I need to fix. You can even ask it to, I don't know, call the nearest bike shop and it will call it and tell you if they have that part in stock. There's so many use cases. I can see myself using this on the daily basis. This is AI meeting real-world assistants.
What is this game about and how do I play it?
That looks like Canoodle Ultimate Champion. It's a puzzle game with 500 challenges.
I found these pieces behind my couch and I want to put them back in the box. Can you tell me where these cars are from?
The green and yellow car pieces look like they might be from the Monza car racing game. The blue snowflake could be a token from a game like the Frozen 2 version of Monopoly.
And Gemini doesn't just stop at your camera. It's now looking into your Drive and Gmail to save you some serious time. Gemini is syncing with Drive and Gmail in a huge way. It will now be helpful with creating personalized emails where it pulls information from Drive and Gmail, and you're also able to clean out your inbox with one command. You'll now be able to craft emails so much faster with information from your Drive right there front and center. Say you need to reply to a customer request on how much something cost. Gemini will pull information from, say, your calendars or Drive, pull the pricing, and put that information right there. It saves so much time and work so you can focus on what's most important. Not only will it pull information that's useful, it'll actually craft your emails to sound more personalized and like you, to your tone of voice. Say, for example, you always use the word fantastic. It's gonna start using that in emails that you draft. very helpful if you ask me. Real-time translation in Google Meet is here. Not only does it translate your voice live, it actually preserves your tone and emotion so it sounds just like you. In the demo, an English speaker was speaking with a Spanish speaker and it was seamless. Support is coming for more languages like Italian and Portuguese in the coming weeks.
It's nice to finally talk to you.
Es bueno hablarte finalmente.
In the demo, it really looked natural and not so robotic. This is something I'm personally really excited to try. What about you? And speaking of language translation, Google showed off their new XR glasses that do live translation and look pretty sleek too. The XR glasses are complete with AI translation, AI maps. In the live demo, two Googlers spoke Farsi and Hindi, and the glasses translated them both into English in real time. I also really love the maps integration. If you just look down, you'll see the Google map on the floor. You'll also have haptic feedback telling you when to turn because you have little things popping up saying in 500 meters, turn left. It is just so cool. And what's really exciting is that they're partnering with Gentle Monster and Warby Parker so they will look stylish. I actually got to try them for myself. Roll the footage. So I can look at any of these books and ask it whatever I want. Okay, so I'm looking at this book. What's the normal amount of time for cooking soba? Okay. Well, you guys can't hear, but she's telling me exactly how long it takes based off of noodle thickness and all of that. So now I turned on Google Maps and it will actually give me some haptic feedback and buzz when I have to turn. So I see right now it says 500 feet North Shoreline Boulevard. You guys can see here. And if I look down at the floor, it actually will tell me exactly where I need to go. Like the map shows up. That's so cool. I'm really excited to try this in the real world. Now, content creators, listen up. This one's for you. Google announced a new tool called Flow, where you can create short video clips with audio and visual that will not only transform a video, but make it look pretty lifelike. A few images and a prompt, and you're left with something beautiful. Google really wants to make it easier to make AI videos, and this tool is definitely that. You can actually stitch clips together, control the timing. It's really making videos a lot more accessible and easy. Now, finally, one of the most mind-blowing demos I did was Google Beam. This really takes video calls to a next level. It's like a 3D projection of the person you're talking to. It's crazy. This used to be called Project Starline, and it's basically a 3D video call with really good lighting, depth, movement, and it's pretty nuts. It's really gonna change the way we communicate across distances, especially with education and businesses. I got to try it for myself. Here's a little bit of the footage. Okay guys, I'm gonna start a demo with the Google Beam. I'm not allowed to show you guys just yet, but I'll put in some B-roll so you guys can see what it looks like. But here's my reaction. No, it feels so real. It feels like you're just sitting across the table from me. Oh my gosh, your hand pops out. I was pretty amazed. Google I/O is aiming for a future that's smarter, faster, and way more connected. From AI shopping and smarter search to translating glasses, the future is exciting. What feature are you most excited about? Drop it down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!